Mental health refers to your day-to-day well-being.
Just like physical health, it is universal.
The difference is
there's a stigma associated with mental health that prevents us from talking about it.
74% de nuestro cuerpo estudiantil piensa que el estigma es un problema.
The prevalence of this stigma leads to 48% of our students almost never talking about their mental health.
It is important to be comfortable discussing mental health.
96%의 학생들은 가족과 친구와 대화할 때 가장 편하다고 말했습니다.
Some ways to maintain mental health are
Exercise and healthy eating. Relaxing and enjoying hobbies.
like music!
Volunteering and setting personal goals.
And even keeping a journal.
Sometimes knowing the difference between clinical depression and feeling depressed.
And anxiety disorders and feeling anxious can be confusing.
Here are some handy definitions to help.
Anxiety is a general feeling of apprehension or worry and is a normal reaction to everyday situations. Anxiety can actually be good if it drives you to perform, such as study. An anxiety disorder is characterized by excessive fear, panic, or irrational comfort in everyday situations, and if your everyday functioning is debilitated.
Feeling depressed versus depression, clinical depression. Feeling depressed are feelings of sadness, loneliness, feeling down. They're a part of normal life. We experience them when we go through a rough time, when we're dealing with grief, and they're often a part of normal adolescent development. And we usually bounce back. However, when the depression or the feelings of sadness become more severe, we don't bounce back. We start to withdraw. It affects our work, our family, our school. Then it may be something a little more serious, so that's when we may need to investigate clinical depression. So that's when you see your doctor.
The Canadian Mental Health Association said
1 in 5 Canadians will experience mental illness in their lifetime.
Everybody in their lifetime will know many people with a mental illness.
So now it's time to accept others.
ayudar a aqueles que sabemos e aqueles que amamos de se recuperar.
Because, for example,
According to the Mental Disorder Society of Canada,
80% of people with depression respond well to treatment.
With proper encouragement, we can get people the help they need.
If you are experiencing a mental health crisis, you can
see Miss Kirkland
or Miss Jackson,
our lovely guidance counselors.
Call Kids Help Phone at 1-800-668-6868.
or call the mental health crisis line at this number here, 1-888-737-4668.
We know through education we can end the stigma.
83% unserer Studenten glauben, dass mehr Ausbildung über physische Gesundheit notwendig ist.
So as we work towards the goal of ending the stigma,
we must remember to be accepting of everyone around us.
Because you don't know what someone could be going through.
Because that's what warriors